This video will quickly highlight how to capture data using Avenza Maps. First off, open up the Avenza Maps application and open a map that you wish to capture data on top of. Once you've got the map open, one thing I want to point out is in the bottom left corner, you have a location icon. When the icon is grayed out like it is currently, that means the coordinates at the bottom of the map are those shown where the crosshairs are. If you tap that icon, it will actually zoom to your location and show your coordinate. If you tap that icon again, it'll turn into a bit of a navigation map where as I tilt the map around, it'll show me the direction that I'm facing. If you want to return to being able to pan around, all you have to do is simply pan around or tap the icon again. And if you want your map to be north up again, you just tap this top right hand icon, which is the compass rose. It'll put north to the top of the map again. Now, to capture a map at or a point at our current location, or a place mark as it's called in Avenza, the first thing you want to do is tap that location icon so it turns solid blue. Once you've done that, the icon to the right of that, which looks like a lollipop, that's a place mark icon. You're going to tap that and it's going to bring up the place mark form. You can tap on here and give it a name. I'll call this one campsite. You can add a description if you want. In this case, you just tap on it, click edit, and I'll just write test. Hit done, it goes back to the form. And then if I want to add a photo, I can do that as well. I can tap on that photo icon and I hit the plus up top and I can take a quick picture if I want. So in this case, I'm going to turn on my camera, take a picture of inside my office, tap OK, use photo. And now you'll see that I've created a place mark called campsite. I've added a photo, I've added a description. It's taken automatically the location and the time that that place mark was captured. I now have to hit submit and you'll now see place mark or campsite is on the map. That's all you need to do to capture a point. If I wanted to capture another point, or let's say I wanted to capture a point at a different location, I can slide that crosshairs around. And now if I click that place mark button, it's going to capture a point mark, place mark in the center of this screen. The next thing I want to show you is how to capture a track or record a track using the GPS on your phone. In this case, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap the ellipsis, which are those three dots in the bottom right. And in this case, I'm going to click record GPS tracks. It's going to bring up another page where it shows me the direction I'm facing, and there's a start tracking button on that page. What I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to hit start tracking. And as soon as I do that, you'll see I now have a pause tracking and a stop tracking option. I'm going to walk around a bit just to create a bit of a track. Heading outside to do that. So as I'm walking, it's going to show me my speed. It's going to show me the distance that I'm capturing. If I want to look at the map, I can slide down and see that stuff as I'm going. I can slide the icon back up and see the page. And when I'm done capturing my track, what I'll do is I hit the stop tracking button. It'll prompt me, are you sure you want to stop tracking? At that point, you click stop. It'll show you on the map the track that you've captured. And if I tap on that track, I didn't go very far, so there we go. When I tap on that track, it'll give me track 3 in this case. And if I click the icon, I can rename the track. I can do a bunch of the other stuff that I did with the place marks as well. So in this case here, I'm not going to go through any of that, but I could go and modify that stuff. And that's all there is to capturing tracks and points with